This is HUAWEI MatePad SE, and today I would like to show how you can enter and use the camera pro mode on this device. So to begin with, you have to launch the default camera app itself, then among the list of available modes, enter more and choose the pro mode from the list. Now, as you can see, this little option to toggles appear. So basically what the pro mode is all about is that you can manually change some of the photo parameters or options, such as the white balance, the focus, make it manual perhaps, manually, adjust it. Let me put some object inside a frame to show you. So that determines the focus distance. Then you can change the exposure value as well, set it to be manual instead of automatic. The same applies for the shutter speed. And, ISO value as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.